Hey everybody, it's Jen Sheffer here, and today's tutorial is going to cover how you will be able to see school-wide announcements. So this is a great, relatively new feature in Seesaw, and you'll notice here on the left-hand side, when I click on the drop-down, I can see all of my classes, and I have this red notification that an announcement has come through or there's a post that has been submitted by a student. And in this case, if I see in my journal here, in my inbox, there is the notification. So when I click on it, I'm going to see that there are announcements for students, for families, and then school announcements is here. So when I click on school announcements, I'm going to see the announcements regarding Wild Wednesdays from the science department that has recently been posted by Wendy Pavlicek. So that is how you will be able to access and view school-wide announcements that are being sent throughout the district. I hope this is helpful, and if you have any questions or need further assistance on accessing school-wide announcements, please don't hesitate to contact me or any member of the BPS EdTech team. Thanks so much for watching.